Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a very highly requested one that I keep getting, especially from one of my very good subscribers, Naima. This one's especially for you, and that is how I YouTube as a small YouTuber. So I'm just going to quickly talk about the equipments I use, the programs I use, how I edit, and just some things I learned along the way. There's a lot of new YouTubers that are now starting, and it's kind of hard to figure out where you want to start, how to do things. So this is exactly what this video is for. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So just a quick disclaimer before we start this video. So I'm not saying if you follow these step-by-step instructions of what I do, you're guaranteed of 100,000 subscribers. No, these are just things that worked for me and that are still working for me, and I decided to share what I learned. So do not be upset if your results just end up with you getting 2 subscribers, probably a subscriber a day, because I'm still slowly growing. I'm still learning. If the tips I'm about to tell you guys worked, I would probably be in 1,000 subscribers right now, but I'm not, because I am still learning. So just so you know, yeah, please don't get upset if some things just don't work out, because it's a learning process. So yeah, okay, anyways, so being a small YouTuber is definitely, it's not the hardest thing ever. It's actually a lot of fun in my own personal terms, if I have to be completely honest, because you just find different ways of just growing your channel, and just I guess the adrenaline rush that you get from growing your channel. You see a couple people commenting, a couple people subscribing, and it just gives you that motivation of just to keep going. I actually enjoy being a small YouTuber, and even though I am slowly growing, I want to keep it that way. I do not want to rush the growth of my YouTube channel, because I'm still slowly sinking in of all the people coming by and commenting and just leaving suggestions, because it's what's helped me grow into the channel that I do have today. Yes, honestly, I'd rather have a slow and steady growth rather than no growth at all. So as I'm still going, up till this day, slowly getting subscribers, slowly getting comments, slowly getting likes, and just people enjoying my content in general, the more I'm having fun with it. Touching upon all that, let me just quickly describe the things that I use. Starting off with equipments. The equipments I use they're just a little bit expensive, but they're worth the while, because even though my camera may be an expensive one, but the quality it serves is just immaculate. But the thing is, a lot of people don't understand is it's not the quality of the equipment that you have that makes the video, but it's also the kind of content you deliver. The reason why I say this is because a lot of people think they could just buy a very expensive camera and expect a great video to come out and people to just boom subscribe to them that quick. No, you have to really have a set mind goal of what you are trying to deliver. Use that equipment to help deliver the message, and then post it on YouTube to see if it was fully delivered properly. The reason why I'm saying the quality of equipment doesn't really matter to help the growth of your YouTube channel, if you take a look to a couple of my old videos, a lot of them were actually filmed on my iPhone 5 at the time. Now, yes, iPhone 5 quality may not have been the best, but then again, I was a student and I didn't have the money for a camera, but I knew the kind of videos I wanted to post for others to see. So the one that was really I was really blown away by was my Gravity Falls notebook tutorial, because when you would search up Gravity Falls notebooks DIYs, there weren't many options, and I was maybe if I'm that one option that has the best results and people are interested in seeing that. So I thought of a plan, used the equipment that I have to deliver the message. Then I posted the video, delivered it on YouTube, and then I got a lot more responses than I honestly thought I would have gotten, and it was a rush. It was a rush. It was one of my main rushes. I remember that time. I was so proud of the video too. But when you watch the video, the quality is so bad. I used one of the worst fonts. I used a lot of things, but the fact that people did like it was because the idea was there, the content was there, the interest was there, and that's what really helped grow my YouTube channel for sure. But yeah, as I slowly started growing, I decided maybe I should invest in a proper camera. Now I do have an old camera. It's not as amazing as this one. The second camera that I did use was the Canon PowerShot XS24HS. It was a PowerShot camera, so it wasn't exactly the one where you can adjust the quality. No, it was a camera, but I use it to its full potential to help deliver like my content on YouTube, and it made a big impact on my channel as well. So now the camera that I do use currently is this beautiful EOS M50, and I am in love. Now, it was expensive. I did get it for like what, $800. This camera is pretty expensive, but it's helped me so much to deliver the content that I just want to like post like on the internet. And I don't think I'm going to change cameras after this. I feel like it does everything I need. I can even stream with it. Like, I just use it to its full potential, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing. So I sometimes do use my phone to film videos as well. Like, if I want to vlog and I don't want to bring like a big camera wherever I go, I would just use my camera on the my phone camera, and the quality may look different when you're watching my videos, but then again, as long as the idea is there, the quality of the camera doesn't really matter, in my honesty. Okay, so that's enough about cameras. Now let's talk about the rest of the technical equipment. So definitely start thinking about like the type of equipment that you want to use, but don't feel pressured into buying anything too expensive. So another thing that I do use is a tripod, the thing that's standing my camera right now. Now there's different types of tripods. I feel like if you are starting a YouTube channel, stick to like the generic tripod, like 3 stands, and then you can just kind of adjust the height. I have a tripod slash monopod, so I can kind of like take it out of its stand and like wave the stick around to make cool motions and etc. But I don't really use that yet because I don't make exciting content like that. I'm hoping to in the future, but at the moment I don't. And those tripods slash monopods are pretty expensive, so stay on the cheap side of things and get yourself like a standard like camera tripod. Another thing that I do use actually is if I just want to like prop my camera up on like a table, or like maybe mount it on my bed for when I'm making videos on like the wall, I'll use this octopus tripod thing, child. This is not the real one. This is like one of those rebranded kinds, I guess, and it's not bad. It's not bad. It does have a tear because I kind of just like went at it to like mount it on my bed, and then it kind of just ripped, and I was like, well, as long as it still works, it's fine. This one was about $25, $27 on Amazon. If anything, I will be leaving links below to like the equipments I use, and it's not bad. This one's strong enough to hold my camera, which I'm super thankful for. So this one's like amazing. Can wrap it around anywhere, or even if you want to film with your phone, there's tripods like these just for your phones. And another thing, I guess, just to quickly mention, if you want to really enhance the quality of your videos, is to have a proper microphone. Now I am using a microphone right now, if you can hear. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah. Yeah, so I am using a microphone right now just to help enhance the quality of my videos, but I don't always have the microphone on. It's just like when I feel like it's appropriate. Just like now, I want y'all to hear me clearly, so got the microphone on, and I guess that's pretty much it. Now, just a few add-ons I can mention is like a ring light. I personally do not use ring lights. I don't really like ring lights like that. I didn't even buy a ring light. Like, I made my own ring light. Like, you see that video right there of me making a ring light? I still use that ring light. Like, I just don't feel like I need to buy a ring light, because the lighting that I get is from like my window. As you can see right now, it's super clear, very nice. I like to film in the daylight, so I use daylight to be my light. But yeah, okay, and I guess that's pretty much it for equipment. But yeah, again, remember the quick note, the quality of your equipment doesn't always make the videos, but your ideas and passion do. So yes. Now moving on to the programs I use. Now the programs I use have been a little bit wishy-washy. They've been here and there, just been multiple different ones until I found the one that was made for me, and that is actually Adobe Premiere Pro. I use Adobe Premiere Pro all the time. I used it in high school. I got used to it in high school, and then I tried using different softwares, but then I just went back to Premiere Pro because it just feels right for me. Some other programs that I did use to edit my videos are definitely Filmora. Filmora is a great one to start with, especially if you are not like strong in video editing, because like they have a lot of presets, a lot of like things automatically done for you, and you just have to put in your own thoughts and ideas. So Filmora is definitely a great 100%. And then I tried using DaVinci Resolve. Although yes, it was good, I felt like it was too advanced or a little bit too simplified, or just like it's just so hard to explain. And I feel like the program was just a little bit too powerful for my computer because it just did not run smoothly unless there was problems with the program at the time. Probably not gonna go back to that because it kind of scarred me for a very long time. But then I just went back to Adobe Premiere Pro. It's just so much easier. I don't know, it's just so much easier. And the way that I edit my videos is basically, it's kind of generic. To explain how I edit my videos is actually going to be very difficult because there's different ways of editing videos, and usually people just edit videos based on what they like, what they feel like is right. So I can't really explain how I edit my videos, but the most I can say is I don't do like the whole like attach a Vine thing here, because to me that doesn't feel right. Like others might like love doing that. I honestly don't, and that's completely fine if I don't like it. And if you do like it, that's also completely fine, because you know, we all have our different interests, feels, likes. Whatever feels right for us, and whatever feels right for you, just stick with it. Try to make it look nice and see if you delivered your message in the best way possible. But yeah, editing videos isn't something that someone could just teach you. It's just like a learning process. Like you just keep practicing, and then gradually you'll see that you're slowly getting better at video editing, and then you kind of feel like you can start experimenting new ways to edit, new things to add into your videos, and just etc. So definitely just keep practicing editing videos. It helps a lot. Alright, so the last thing I guess we can talk about is just being a small YouTuber. Now again, it does take time to become like a big sensational YouTuber, because it takes time, effort, and just a lot of dedication. And because I am currently in school, it's kind of hard to balance both of them, because sometimes school needs more attention than my YouTube channel does. But I'm so happy that people are still subscribing, even though if I don't post a video for like a week or two. And then it just brings tears into my eyes, and I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Like, being a small YouTuber definitely takes a lot of effort. But as long as you just don't give up, you'll see that you're slowly starting to get somewhere. Just like I mentioned before, I'd rather have a slow and steady growth than no growth at all. So the fact that some of my videos still show up on people's like recommended pages, or like they pop up at like the sidebars, it just shows like I'm slowly getting somewhere, and I don't even realize it sometimes, and I'm like so mind blown. But something I do want to mention is that being a small YouTuber, you kind of have to like decide where you want to go with your YouTube channel, and by that I mean is to kind of pick the kind of content you want to deliver. I am kind of like a student channel. I kind of like doing things for students by a student, because you know, sometimes you just don't get enough information that you're looking for, and then you just need that one video. So that's exactly what I did. I wanted to be that one video that stood out, that really brought people to my channel, and it's worked, and it's still working. Now, as you know, I'm a York University student, and when you search up for like York University student videos on YouTube, you don't get a lot of options. So I was like, okay, say less, let me be that one person to make the content that a lot of like maybe soon to be York University students are looking for. That's really helped YouTube deliver people to my channel, and ever since then I've been slowly getting somewhere, and I'm so thankful. For example, you could be a beauty channel, or you could be a gaming channel, or you could be educational channel, whatever, how to style blog, whatever. But then the problem with that is that you do have a lot of competitions. It can be a little bit hard as a small YouTuber, but as long as you kind of put the little oomph into your videos, you can kind of make it big. I've seen a few videos of people that do go to like boarding school, and then they made videos about it, and then people are like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. Like, there's always something interesting about a person when you share with the world, because there's a billion people in this world. One is bound to like step foot on your channel and kind of be amazed by the things that you have to share about yourself. So kind of put yourself into those videos, you know. But yeah, it's hard starting on YouTube, I'm not even going to lie. But as long as you have like the motivation, the passion, the dedication, you should be fine. You should be fine. I do multiple videos, but like I try to keep things interesting. I try not to like fall into the same demographic of like the same routine stylized like videos. I try to put more into my videos, make it more interesting. If I see like people are really searching up a specific topic, I would see if I can kind of contribute myself into that same topic as well, and deliver a video and, you know, bring people to my channel. It's all about like research, ideas and just you being yourself. So this has been an interesting video. I really hope it has helped you. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. And yeah, I just really want to help support small YouTubers. I want to help like grow small channels just like mine. And if anything, comment down below your YouTube channel a little bit about like the kind of videos that you do, and hopefully you can find someone that shares the same interests as you, because that way you can slowly help grow together with each other. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so tired, like school has been kicking my butt, but it's okay, it's okay. Winter break is coming, so expect some more videos. Maybe not, but we'll see. I shouldn't have filmed this video today. I'm so tired. Grr. Don't grr me. Okay, and I'm just going to close this video off here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys, and Bunny Blue out.